Orlando Pirates ayimdevelopanga uReal Mofokeng, imthole ayi-finish product or ane-natural talent lakhe. Udlale ku-season eyodwa ku-MDC and then-ke bampromotha ku-first team. Into iPirates eyenzile imnika i-platform abanye abantu bebangafuni ukumnika lona or bebangamniki lona, you understand. So lento le abantu bathi Orlando Pirates kumele ithole imali eningi, uMofokeng ithole boma 100 million uMofokeng ngoba bamdevelopile in abathi abantu iOrlando Pirates ngoba yamnika iplatform. Without Orlando Pirates bengeke uMofokeng akwazi ukuzibonakalisa to this grand stage ukuthi udlala kanjani ibhola nanokuthi udeserve yabo ivalue yakhe ikangakanani in terms of italent lakhe nokuba ifootballer. But Orlando Pirates azange imdevelope uMofokeng, imnikeni iplatform and then weza ne-natural talent lakhe. So ngifuna ukunibuyisela emuva kancane. Niyakhumbula dala bekunebo yebo yes angithi yebo yes bokuyifeeder team yani i-first team Orlando Pirates ukuthi ama player azodlala kule reserve side ukuthi maseba ready then bangamove to i-first team ye-Pirates. So they would get ama-players, let's say you are 19 or so, but awakabi ne-experience ku-PSL bakufake kuphi, bakufake kule yebo yes yabo. Same thing lento le yenzakale ngoMofokeng. Akhona ama-players let's say iPirates wadevelopile, but Mofokeng is not one of them, yabo. Kufana nalento le, if I'm not mistaken, correct if I'm wrong, uMdusha balala ulo okuthiwa wadlala i-6 months angisho ku-Kaizer Chiefs and then bampromote to what? To the first team. Natural talent, like abamdevelopanga naye if angenzi iphuthu ukuthi uMdusha balala, because ngiyakhumbula there's one of the major players yaku-Kaizer Chiefs abamthatha kuphi, abamthatha somewhere and then bamnika i-platform naye ukuthi azibonakalise umfana washisa ku-MDC and then bampromote to the first team. So asiyekeleni lento le yethu ukuthi iPirates i-develop uMofokeng ayimdevelopanga. If case in point ngifuna ukunibuyelisa kuTeko Modise. uTeko Modise kuyaba nenkinga nalo muntu lo amdeveloper because kuneyinkinga zama-clearance, kumele ubonise i-proof ini nathi ufuna 500,000. That was more than 10 years back ngendaba kaTeko Modise. So kunalezi zinto lezi kuthiwa ama-clearance ukuthi okay mina mangingadevelop i-player like ngilinakekele lidlale under mina i-team yami ngine-team yami, bazomsayina bamsayine lo muntu ngelinye ilanga nayo i-claim if angikaze ngazuza lutho ngokudevelopa lo muntu lo, yabo. If khona umuntu one-claim ukuthi yena uMofokeng wakhula under team yakhe wamdevelopa so na so, na uMofokeng mayesayinwa in future maybe unayo certain percentage, unless if for example ngathi wadiscover uVino but uVino ngathi uthi yena wayemnceda nje akafundi lutho aka-expectanga lutho, but abantu abazi izinto ngempela lezi zinto lezi zebhola you can claim ukuthi okay without mina alikho le player leli, yabo. Cause manje ekugcineni abantu bathola ama-final products and then bathole imali abangayideserve, kanti khona abantu abadevelopa labafana laba beba sacrifice imali zabo if abanayo imali yokugibela babagibelise somewhere. You are lucky if like umzali wakho izinto ithola ukuthi uye bekakunceda ngezinto eziningi, because thina nama ngidlala ibhola ngisaseyintwana ama-coaches wethu okay if ama-coaches like you bedlala under ama-coaches bewas owner in a way ukuthi i-clearance lakho libelonga ku-team eso ku-division eso, whether i-team eselokishini but as long affiliated ne-league inyana, the day makungenzeka angakuyeka nje akuyeke baloke bakusayina the day uthi boom uba i-big deal ukhipha zonke lezi zinto zakhe, yabo. Ulanda i-team lese iPirates or udlalela i-Chiefs or London uyasho ukuthi lo muntu lo wadevelopa yimi, yabo. iPirates in a way ine-professional side ingaba naleyo claim leyo because thina izinto asizazi, abantu abanayo knowledge ukuthi they can have a claim. When I was young, Mamelodi Sundowns beyisayina ama-player like ikusanele i-player leseni na 12 ikusayine ngabo ma 6,000 or kuthiwa amanye ama-player o 10,000 kuya ngetalent le-player, yabo. Manje just ukuthi abantu abasenayo i-knowledge enjalo ukuthi okay if like ukhulise umuntu under ama-structures wakho ungaba ne-claim in the near future makaba professional. But-ke angilwi ngibhakaniya, angilwi just nje ukuthi abantu ba-misinformed isikhathi esiningi ngizama ukuveza like enye information like abantu abangekho aware ngayo ukuthi you sign a player ulithola lina 20 vele uyalisayina nje maselithi boom khona lo coach lo walikhulisa angaba ne-claim, yabo. Danko.